Supervisor, Mr. Rogelio N. Ashaw, our Principal, Mrs. Marlene C. Castillo, Barangay officials of Baayan Bungon, the President of Baayan Elementary School Alumni Association, the PTA officials, followed by the pupils, escorted by their parents. May we give them a round of applause. Followed by the meritorious pupils and pupils with special awards of the grade 6 athletes. Under the advisorship of Mrs. Cheryl R. Bonagua, followed by the grade 5 banana under Mrs. Julie Andy Tagaban, and grade 5 dragon fruit under Mr. John B. Orta.